Yes, the nation must be fed and will be fed. Speed and efficiency in all operations are keynotes of this industry. Skilled handlers clamp the birds onto the power-driven belt line. Over 100,000 pounds of chicken a day, over 500,000 pounds a week, over 2 billion a month were processed in this poultry plant for the Army during the war. They wield special steel knives, long and curved, surgically sharp, spotlessly clean. Scalding water at a temperature of approximately 130 degrees. This loosens their feathers thoroughly, preparing the birds for the roughing machine. These specially constructed machines strip the feathers from the birds without bruising the delicate skin. There are 3 such machines at the Sussex poultry plant, each one more finely adjusted to its special task. The machines are fitted with rubber fingers of a special length. These fingers carry out their task more swiftly and efficiently than the most skilled human hand. And whatever quills which may remain are removed by hand. The birds now pass through the hot air dryer, preparatory to the waxing operation. Again, they are hand-checked before being dipped in the liquid wax. Scrupulous care is taken to remove all feathers. The heads of the birds have been raised so that they will not be covered with the wax. The waxing process ensures the removal of any remaining pin feathers. Because this is a highly important operation in the cleaning of the birds, every bird receives a double-dipped coat of the special wax preparation. Having passed through a cooling chamber, the wax hardens and adheres firmly to the skin of the chicken. As the wax form is broken from the bird, all remaining feathers and surface particles are removed. Stripped and cleaned, ready for the final stage in their processing. The birds pass literally through a wall of flame, and the last vestiges of feathers are now removed. Having received a final spray bath, which removes any remaining surface particles, the chickens are graded according to size. Chickens are packed in layers of ice flakes and are cooled to a temperature of 40 degrees or less. Each barrel load of chickens is carefully checked for the proper temperature. The birds are now ready to be packed. Approximately 60 pounds of the highest quality Delmarva chicken are weighed off at a time. And each chicken is carefully wrapped and packed into sturdy wooden boxes. Nailed. Bound with wire. Weighed, stamped, and properly labeled. They are then stacked in the freezing room. The chickens are now ready for their journey. They're on their way to fill our nation's needs, just as they fill the needs of our men in uniform in this country and in lands overseas. This is our Army, the best fed Army in the world. The Quartermaster Corps makes sure of that. It takes good food and lots of good chicken to satisfy the appetite of our men in uniform. To meet these high standards is a round-the-clock job and all year round, from the egg to the chick to the chicken. And then to the processor. Every stage in the breeding and growth of the bird takes study, skill, and experience. Backed by years of service in the poultry business, Sussex Poultry Company is able to fulfill the high standards and increasing demands of our nation. The economies and efficiencies practiced before the war and developed during the war are now being handed on to the civilian consumer. Chicken in all its savory forms is served to young and old everywhere, wherever people call for a delicious and nutritious food. And the Delmarva chicken, noted for its distinctive flavor, with more meat to the pound than any other chicken, will be first on the shopping list of our nation.